Adaptation. What do you mean by adaptation? Adaptations are behaviors or features that make an organism the best suited to its way of life. Basically, adaptation means adjusting to the environment. Aquatic plants. The plants which grow in water are called aquatic plants. There are three kinds of aquatic plants: floating plants, fixed plants, and underwater plants. The plants which float on the surface of water are called floating aquatic plants. Such plants have light and spongy stems which help them to float on water. Their leaves and stems have lots of air spaces also. They have waxy coating that prevents the leaves from rotting. Their seeds also are light and spongy, so the seeds can be scattered by water. For example, water hyacinth and duckweed. The plants that have roots fixed to the soil underwater are known as fixed aquatic plants. They have thin and hollow stems which reach the surface of water. The leaves of such plants are broad and flat. They also have waxy coating that prevents the leaves from rotting. They don't have long roots because they don't need to look for water. Example, lotus and water lily. Fish. Fish can breathe in water. They don't have lungs, they have gills. What are gills? Gills are similar to our lungs. The breathing organ of the fish is called gills. Behind the fish's mouth, they have holes just like our nose. Fish breathe by taking in oxygen from the water it drinks. The gills separate the oxygen present in the water and throw out the water and carbon dioxide.